Lips so glossy, feeling real bossy. Standing on business, take 'em out, kamikaze.
One of my home service university students called me for an emergency installation. So what do? We flew 3,000 miles from Ottawa, Canada, all the way to Denver, Colorado to help out. This job has to be done by this weekend for the lighting ceremony, or Victor is gonna damage his brand new business reputation. Today's job is this absolute behemoth mega church, the entire front of the building, as well as 18 trees. We don't have time to waste, but before we jump into the video, a little bit about myself. My name's Adam Chapman, I'm the CEO of PatPal. I started my home service company 8 years ago while sleeping in the back of my car and built it up to a $1.4 million home service empire. Let's jump into the job and help Victor out because we do not have time to waste. Victor. Hey.
What's up, Adam?
Tell us a little bit, how's things going? What's going on here, man?
So it's one of our third commercial property. It's a giant church, and they have a lighting ceremony this weekend, so I was kind of worried about getting the lights up in time, and Adam came out. It's helping out.
Help get the job done. A little bit of context for you guys. Victor, last year we helped him get his business started with Home Service U, got the home slice. How many jobs did you guys do last year?
We did 12 jobs last year.
For Christmas lights?
Yeah, 12 last year.
And you're already at what so far?
We have 18 booked.
And then this job is your biggest, I assume, so far?
Yes, by far.
Yeah, so tell them what we're doing here, the rundown.
So, like I said, huge church. We've got 17 trees that we have to get finished by Saturday for their lighting ceremony. We've got most of the building completed thus far. We're just testing the lights to see if there's any bulbs out. And we've got a giant boom lift that helped us get some of the hard to reach spots since they don't want us on the roof. We're just trying to knock it out.
How'd you get this lead?
I was driving by my kid's uniform supplier for schools right down the road. Was driving by, saw the church, stopped in, asked who to talk to, told him we do lights for businesses in the area, and he's like, yep, we're in the market. Shot him a bid, and here you go.
And
just a random cold call.
And how would you describe someone that doesn't know what Home Service U is? How would you just like summarize that, like how we've helped you?
It's a huge resource, like basically it's gonna shorten your learning curve. Instead of trying to figure all this stuff out on your own, it's really nice to have other people, not just Adam, but Adam's training materials, like what to use, how to do things, techniques, pricing, all that stuff was just handed to you on like literally a silver platter. And then all the other people that are in the group too, it's nice to really bounce ideas off of them and see how you can tackle certain hard to reach areas. And
we have a guy out here today too. Yeah, it's a really good community. Like we have another guy from Home Service U about an hour away. Came in to help get this emergency job done. Anything else we should cover, or we should get to work here? We got some times ticking.
So Home Service University is a group of like-minded home service business owners. And collectively we all learn together. Adam runs the group, provides most of the content for us to learn from. I mean, everything from standard operating procedures to cold call scripts to equipment to use, things to buy. Like you don't have to really think for yourself. You just kind of duplicate what he's put together and learn from the other people in the group. It's really a wonderful community, and it's great to see the person that created it actually come out here and help me out. So it's been awesome.
A little bit of educational stuff in here for you guys. I know you guys like that. This entire display is being done with mini lights like this, 5mm wide mini lights. I'll link to the supplier in your shopping list in the description of the video, so check that out. These are 5mm mini lights, commercial grade warm white. And then on the building, we have C9 warm white commercial grade lights. Both are from Crystal Light Contractors, linked in the description. The other supplies that we have on site today is our socket wire, male plugs, female plugs, and our bare wire, and then our clips. And then our timer, of course. That's pretty much it off the top of my head that we have here on site to complete this absolutely massive job. If I can make one little tweak to Victor's install here, I know he wanted to, but they didn't get the approval. The tree like this, you'd rather put like C9s, 24-inch spacing or 36-inch spacing, or some C7 lights. However, the minis are gonna look awesome. Mini lights in the canopy here, and then we got the C9s on the building. Everything's linked in the description. Get commercial grade products, guys. If you get store-bought products, they're absolutely junk. They're gonna break. It's not gonna look as good, so get all of your products commercial grade. Linked in the description, your shopping list, as well as some amazing free resources for you guys, so check those out.
Adam, thanks for coming out.
Hey, of course.
This has been awesome.
Yes.
I think we're gonna get it done. We've got 2 more trees left, right in time for the lighting ceremony. The pastor or the building director came out. He said he was super happy. He loved the spacing, thinks it looks great. The bulbs are working. I don't know if I would have gotten it done if you didn't come out.
Oh yeah, well we made it. I'm surprised, but it looks pretty good. And thanks to Josh as well for coming out, and can't wait to see this thing fully lit up at night. It's gonna be awesome. Maybe we'll cut to that. It looks like we're gonna have a job success, guys. Victor's just in there right now talking to the director and kind of wrapping up things. Super happy to have this job done. Just one tree left and maybe one little touch up over there. And this thing is gonna look absolutely incredible. We'll do a cutaway in a second so you guys can see what it looks like lit up at night. Super excited for Victor to not only get this one job done, but to take that next step in his business. I remember when I first met him, when he was thinking about joining Home Service U as a full-time dad with 4 or 5 kids, I think he has now, working full-time, but he's like, hey Adam, I want to take that step, start my business. So it's cool to see how much he's progressed in 1 year and now being a second-year business owner. This job is awesome. It's the biggest job he's done so far. It's cool to see that growth. If you're someone that's thinking, hey, I don't like my job, or I want to start creating a better life for myself, or maybe you already have a home service business, you want to take it to the next level, and you want to get more information from myself, someone that has a proven system and been doing it for 8 years now, check out Home Service University. We have every masterclass, all of the door hanger templates, your discount codes for suppliers, your yard signs, your SOPs for your company. Home Service University is my program I designed 2 years ago to help people that were just like me, people that want to change their lives through home services but need a little bit of help. Over the past 2 years, we've helped over 500 students start and scale their home service businesses. I'll put all the info down below. Thanks for following along. Make sure to hit subscribe. If you need any more help, message me on Instagram at AdamRChap, and I'll see you in the next video.
Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I woke in a bar today. Got lost in the bar. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they dead it. On record, off record. I let them